Good afternoon, friends. Today, in the Practical Astrology Part 19, let us learn about the situation avastas of planets. Number 1 is called Deeptavasta. When any planet placed in his exalted sign is called Deeptavasta, such planets give very good result in his main period, sub period, or sub period. Number 2, Mool Trikon Rashi. If any planet placed in his Mool Trikon Rashi, it is also give it also give very good result according to his lordship and his karakatva. Uh, Swarashi. If any planet placed his own sign, it also provide very good result in his main period, sub period, and sub period. Then friendly sign. If any planet placed in friendly sign, it give good result according his lordship and karakatva. Next one, first friend sign. If any planet placed in his first friend sign, it also give very good result in his main period, sub period, and sub period according his lordship and karakatva. Neutral place. If any planet placed in such sign whose lord is neither his friend nor his enemy, so such planet give mixed result. If it is the lord of good houses, it will give some good result. If it is the lord of bad houses like 6th, 8th, or 12th, it will give bad result in his main period, sub period, and sub period. Enemy place. If any planet placed his inimical sign, if such planet is the lord of good bhavas, it will give minimum good result. If his lordship is bad, it will give bad result in his main period, sub period, and sub period. Debilitated sign. If any planet placed in debilitated sign without the cancellation of debilitation, it will give bad result in his main period, sub period, and sub period according his lordship and karakatva. Now let us learn about the Digbala of the planet. Jupiter and Mercury get Digbal in the ascendant. They become very strong if they are placed in the ascendant. Moon and Venus get Digbal in the 4th house. They are very strong if they are placed in the 4th house. Saturn get Digbal in the 7th house. They are very strong. Saturn is very strong if he placed in the 7th house. Sun and Mars get Digbal in the 10th house. They are very strong if they are placed in the 10th house. Rahu and Ketu don't have any kind of Digbala. If they are placed in the quadrant, they give result as a quadrant lord. If they are placed in Trikona sign, they give result as the lord of Trikona lord. So thank you for today. Please like, subscribe, and share, and provide your valuable beliefs. Thanks for today. For the next episode, we will learn about the Yog Karaka, Maraka, neutral, and mm, all for all the 12th ascendants. Yogacaraka planet, neutral planet, Maraka planet, and Khar planet. Thanks.